Are you tired of the constant ringing in your ears? Do you feel like you're losing your mind? If so, you're not alone. Millions of people suffer from tinnitus, but there is finally a solution. This breakthrough product is clinically proven to reduce tinnitus symptoms by up to 80%. It's safe, natural, and easy to use. You can start feeling relief today. Tinnitus can be debilitating. It can make it difficult to concentrate, sleep, and enjoy life. It can also lead to depression and anxiety. But there is no need to suffer anymore. This product can help you get your life back. It works by targeting the root cause of tinnitus. It helps to reduce inflammation and improve blood flow to the ear. This can lead to a significant reduction in tinnitus symptoms. Backed by science, it has been clinically proven to be effective in reducing tinnitus symptoms. It is also safe and natural, so you can use it with confidence. A new and innovative way to treat tinnitus. It is the only product on the market that has been clinically proven to be effective. If you are suffering from tinnitus, this product is the best option for you. A valuable investment. It can help you to improve your quality of life and reduce your suffering. It is also a safe and natural product, so you can use it with confidence. This is in high demand, so don't wait to order yours. Supplies are limited, and this offer won't last long. Click the link below to order your bottle of tinnitus relief today.